Joining us here on this Tuesday afternoon, everything's always a matter of perspective, right? When we point the camera off towards the south, we've got some darker clouds. Off towards the north, a little more in the way of blue sky. 86 degrees, light north wind, temperatures running a few degrees above average, but nowhere near record highs. It's a little warmer the farther north you go in the state, a little cooler off towards the south. Yellowstone at 65. Good air quality. Helena, Great Falls, most of the plains, west of the divide, you get closer to some of those fires. Plus, the wind is still generally coming out of the north and the northeast, so it's pushing the smoke that way. And here's the smoke forecast model. Windy Rock Fire right there. Likely going to get some rain tomorrow and Thursday. So smoke output will decrease, fire activity will decrease, and we've got a lot of rain. Now, flash flood watch, Wednesday, you see this shade of green, and this is really for the burn scar areas, the fires on the tobacco roots, and a bunch of new fires over around Missoula. But we could see in this area 1, maybe even 2 inches of rain. So there may be some flooding besides the burn scars. Windy Rock Fire, 3,631 acres. Firefighters are working all around this fire, north, south, east, and west. That's likely a little wildfire smoke right there. 0% containment, but progress is being made, and water is going to come in the form of rainfall. Sandbar 2 fire, 243 acres, 29% containment. Firefighters continue to mop that one up. Southwest Montana, West Fork Fire south of Big Sky, 852 acres, 33% contained. And then the 2 big fires in the Tobacco Root Mountains. 12% contained on the Cloud Rest, 34% on the Bivens Creek, and this entire area under the flash flood watch for tomorrow. Pot Mountain Fire, way on up in the Bob, will probably get a little rain, but not much growth on that one either here. There are the storms off towards the south. Yeah, they're gonna take their time slowly working their way northward here, but there is a lot of moisture across the west, Wyoming, Idaho, Oregon, California, Nevada, the 4 corner states here as well. Tremendous beneficial rain coming through. And we're gonna cloud up here tonight. The rain should stay down towards the south for most of tomorrow. The computer model wants to bring some rain in the morning hours. Probably not gonna happen until late in the day. The atmosphere is kind of dry at the surface, but eventually later afternoon, more so evening, we'll see some rain come through. And then areas of light rain with a few thunderstorms through Wednesday night and across most of the area on Thursday. Remember where our fires are. And we'll have kind of some steady rain on Thursday. Again, maybe 1-2 inches in parts of southwest Montana. I think a lot of the Helena area could get about 1/4 of an inch to as much as a 1/2 inch of rain. It's a good amount of moisture. Tonight we're dry, just on the cloudy side. Tomorrow, it's probably not until late in the evening that we see some rain come through. Temperatures more 70s and the 80s, but Wednesday night and Thursday, it is wet. It is much cooler. We're gonna have some rain on the wildfires, certainly on the Windy Rock Fire, Sandbar 2 fire, and then those fires down in the Tobacco Root Mountains might be put out. Maybe a couple of storms lingering as we head through the next few days. Thursday as well. You see Friday an isolated thunderstorm, and Labor Day weekend looks pretty nice.